Now that you've watched your video on how to use your graphing calculator, I want to show you how you can do your homework starting tomorrow and your tests. So this is a blank homework. You had to show your work on your homework for Wednesday. However, to recap this, if you're using the graphing calculator, you would have to still know the correct ordered pairs. No longer do you have to do all the work. You grab your graphing calculator. Sorry about the lighting here. When you turn it on, make sure your memory is cleared. Second plus 7, 1, 2. And then second plus 7, 2, 2, which most of you know by now. So I'm going to demonstrate this again. I know it's blurry, but you should have seen it on the other video. You're going to press Stat, which is right here. You're going to hit Edit, number 1. L1 represents X, L2 represents Y. So in L1, we want 3, enter, up and right, 3, enter. That has the ordered pair 3, 3. We're going to go to the left. You're going to type 4, enter, up and right, 5, enter. As long as you have the correct ordered pairs and you go through the system on the graphing calculator, you will get the right answer. After you have your ordered pairs in, the video showed you to press Stat one more time. Once you hit Stat, you want to calculate. So arrow over to calculate. You want a line, linear regression. It looks like mx plus b, but your graphing calculator uses ax plus b. So press number 4. Once you get in here, you're just going to hit enter down to calculate. Enter, 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 enter. One more time. A represents your slope. B is your y-intercept. So you will just write down the equation on your paper. 2x minus 3. So look, no work. That's all you need to do starting Thursday and Friday if you have the correct ordered pairs. Now here's the next step, so you don't have to do any other work. Once you have this, you go to y equals. Y equals is this top left button. In y equals, you're going to type your equation. 2, the x button, if you've forgotten, is to the right of the green alpha. X minus 3, enter. Now, to get your answers, you go to your table. I know it's been a long time since we've done this, but if you push second, graph, which is the top right button, you have your table. So have this next to you to answer your questions. The next question talked about if the temperature was 1 degree below 0. When I show you the homework, y equals -1. You must write that down. You go on your calculator, you look in the y column for -1. Now I know this is hard to see, but when the y is -1, the x is 1. This question said write your answer as an ordered pair, 1, -1, and this means after 1 hour, the temperature was 1 degree below 0. The next one says, was the temperature rising or dropping? You would know this is your slope because it says rate. So this is rising 2 degrees per hour. It says next, what was the original temperature when Demetrius arrived at work? That is your y-intercept, which is -3, but you say 3 degrees below 0. But here's where you use your calculator again. After 4 hours, that's x is 4. You go to your graphing calculator. You go down to where x is 4. I know it's blurry, but to the right of it, it says y is 5. So that's the ordered pair 4, 5. And that means after 4 hours, the temperature was 5 degrees above 0. So if you need to practice putting that in stat again, watch the video again. You know how to use your table. You remember you can go up and you can go down to find different values. So keep that in mind, because when you come to class on Thursday, we will use this when solving your homework.